everyone, my name is Axel Berrios, I'm from Chihuahua, Mexico, and I'm the drummer for the Denver-based band Immortal Sin. I started playing drums at the age of 4, just as any other curious kid. There was a drum kit laying around at my grandma's house because my uncle had one, and I just started to replicate the same sounds that I was just hearing with the drumsticks and all that. So it was pretty easy for me to catch up with the sounds that I was just hearing everywhere. It just imitated what I was hearing. Eventually, they got me a different drum set and a speaker, actually, so I was able to hear different songs and play along with them. And if I remember correctly, the ones that I played most was Smooth by Carlos Santana and Enter Sandman by Metallica. And because my family saw that I was able to play correctly by that age, they got me my first gig playing at the graduation of my kindergarten, where I played those two songs. Sadly, there's no videos of any of that, but I'm pretty sure there's some picture somewhere, either in Mexico or here, I don't know, that can prove all that. Personally, I'm not a person that jumps from a band to band all the time. I try to stick with the same band as long as possible to share the ideas and see the vision that everyone has. And due to this, I'm pretty sure I've been just in 3 bands. So, the first one was called Tornado with my junior high friends, and eventually changed the name to Blackout, and I stayed with them until I moved to Denver, Colorado in 2014. The other band was with my uncle, who was a bass player. It was called Decibel, and we technically played songs for bars and all that, all the Spanish rock music. And the other one is just Immortal Sin. Ever since I moved to United States, I joined the band in 2015, and I've been a constant band member since then. I think the only exception will be the time frame that I left to Mexico from 2016 to 2018, but ever since 2018 I've been a constant member in the band, and I'm proud to say that I have become one of the main composers, already making 2 for the upcoming records, and 10 plus songs as demos ready to go. So we have a lot of stuff coming up, so keep an eye on all the updates, either from myself or the band, and give us a like. What I love about Collision is that they make you feel like a part of a family even before joining the band. Like, not every day you get the CEO of the company to call you directly and start to share his vision about what the company does and what it can do for you. Like, it makes you be a better person through social media, and makes you a better person interacting with the fans and making sure that you expose yourself as a brand and as a drummer. Another great thing about Collision is that the drumsticks last almost forever. So it's a grand advantage for a hard-hitting drummer just like me for heavy metal. It can easily adapt to your playing style. So it's a great plus. So if you're a newbie or a talented musician already, you know where to go to. Collision is the brand for you. They're gonna make sure that you are part of the family, and that you can share your ideas, your art to the outside of the world through social media, everywhere. So it's just a place to go. What I'm gonna be playing now is the song, the lead single of the Immortal Sin's album, Force of Habit, which was released on May 7th, 2021. The song is called Anamnesis, and I'm proud to say that I'm the composer of the song. So yeah, give us a like, share, everything. Let's keep rocking.